All right, everyone. I know people always ask what we do for water in the spring and the summer with our rain catchment, and we've had videos about that, so that's why we have today's video about this. This pot has completely melted with snow, and as you can see, there's not that much water. A whole pot of snow only produces a few inches of water, so I am gonna go get some more snow and put it in here now. The snow will melt faster now that we have some snow in there, but this is an all-day process. And this is so we can have water to shower with, to cook with, to have coffee with for the dogs, to drink, for us to drink. Water's extremely important to survival, right? So just wanted to show you the struggles of a dry cabin in the winter. All right, there we go. That's bucket number 2. Let's see how much snow we have the second time around. The great part is when you're melting snow, the second and third and fourth and fifth and so on times, as long as you got hot water in the tank, it goes so much faster. Half hour, that bucket that I filled already melted. Let's check it out. And as you can see, there's much more water in there now. That's bucket number 3. Hot showers are in our future.
All right, guys, when we melt our snow, we use it for everything. Showers, doing dishes, drinking water, and this is for dishes, so let's fill it up. So every time we go outside, we just fill the pot with snow and it melts down throughout the day. So we get about 2 full pots like this every day, just doing it, you know, off and on.
Then we have water to wash our dishes.
It's even warm.
Yeah, it stays pretty warm too, so then you have hot water, which is nice because it makes for cleaning dishes a little bit easier when you got hot water. And then we'll show you how we put it in the Berkey after the next melt.
All right, guys, we have a couple gallons of water here from melting snow. That's probably 2 or 3 trips in and out. And our Berkey takes 2 gallons of water, so.
This makes the water safe to drink and cook with and make coffee with. The Berkey does.
There we go.
It's like an all-day process to keep water going for the cabin between dishes and the Berkey and stuff for showers, but it's manageable as long as we keep up on it.
Yeah, it's not like hard work.
Yeah, we go through probably...
Every time you go outside, you grab a pot.
Yeah, you go through maybe about filling these pots up total 6 times between the Berkey and the washing dishes and showering.
Probably a little more than that, but not much. Yeah, like 8 or 10 times if you're doing a shower. Because you know, actually, these, I don't know if these are 4 gallons. Probably 4 gallons. And we don't even use one of these for a shower.
Yeah,
like we use about
most
2/3 of it.
Because you're just a little more conscious of your shower when you have it like that. So we'll show you how the shower setup works
in a little bit.
All right. Thanks, guys. Water's been heating up here all day. So we melted snow and it's been sitting here all day. That's a little hot. My wonderful husband is going to carry it all over to the shower for me. Alright, so this is how we do showers in the winter when we have to melt the snow. So, I'm going to check the water temperature here real quick. 128, it's a little warm, but I prefer it to be warm than cold. I'm going to jump in the shower here in a minute, but I'm going to show you what we do. I have this little pump that we bought off of Amazon, and we'll link it in there, and just stick it down in there. I like my showers, so it's worth it to take a shower. Just makes you appreciate your hot shower at the end of the night a little bit more because you have to work for it.
It's not that bad.
Thanks for tuning in to see how we get water in the winter here at the cabin and how we function. If you have any questions or comments or ideas on how we can improve anything, be sure to drop them in the comments below. As always, we appreciate every like, comment, and subscribe. And share our video if you know anybody that could learn something from it. Thanks for tuning in, guys.